Okay, we'll start. So another two programs left out. Already I told you. One is called the sum of the subsets, and another one is called the NQ problems. That's what I told you to do NQ problems. I have done it already. NQ problems. How to arrange it? Some of the rules, regulations we are having. Some of the subsets also we have done it. So mathematics, you have done discrete mathematics. Some of the subsets. So we need to write the sum of the subsets of the given set. So for example, you are having the formula. Problem is this one. Find a subset of a given number set S is equal to S1, S2 dash dash Sn of n positive integers whose sum is equal to the given positive integers d. So d is nothing but the sum of the positive integers. For example, so how to calculate this one? Suppose if you are having the set S is equal to 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. So this is called the set. So you know how to write the sum of the subsets also, you know that how to write it. So sum of the formula is nothing but, so 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, one is 4, 5 subsets, next 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 8, next is 1, 2, 5, next 1, 2, 6, next 1, 2, 8, next 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 8. Like this you can write the sum of the subsets. So 2 to the power of 4 means, so 2 to the power of 32 subsets we can write it. So there is a two solutions for this here. So d is nothing but the 9, that is nothing but the sum. So if you are adding in these numbers, you have to get the sum will be 9. So how many subsets can be written? That's what you have to do it. So already I told you some of the subsets also. One example formula. So 1 plus 2 plus 6 is called one subset. So 1, 2, 6 is called one subset, that is called the 9. Another one is called the 1, 8. So that is called the one more subset. If you add this, you will be getting 9. If you add this, you will be getting the 9. So that is what the sum of the subset of the problems. Another one is called the NQ problem, backtracking. That is already I have told you. So simple code only. Let's see how it will work this. So one is called the program number 10, another one is called the program number 14. So I'll go for first some of the subset. Can you able to see? Hello? Can you able to see? Window? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So first I'll run and will show you. So how many numbers you want? For example, same only whatever they have given will give it. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. One, 2, 4, 6. So enter the sum is nothing but I'll enter it 5. So what will happen? Sum of the subset is nothing but first set is nothing but 2, 3, that is called 5. Another one is called the 5. So this is what the sum of the subsets. So here is same example. If you want, I can enter it here. 12568, 12568, 5 numbers. 12568, 12568, and sum will be 9. So first set is called 126 and another one is called the 1 and 8. This is what the results. So simple logic, simple if condition, else conditions only will be taken. So you will be taking the arrays and you will be implementing the some of the subsets. Let's move to the program. Enter the number of the elements as usual. 5 we have entered. Enter the elements, that is called the weights you are taking. So in a set, what are all the numbers you are taking, that will be stored into the W of I. This one will be taken as a global variable. So another one is called the enter the sum. D is nothing but the sum. So whatever the questions they have given, then only we have entered it here also. See here. So this is called the set. We have taken one array, and D is nothing but the sum of the given numbers. That one we have taken, and resultant purpose one value will take. That one will see it later. So here is D is nothing but the sum. Now I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So this one x of I will be taken all initially zeros. So we need to store the resultant values. So for that reason we are assigning all the values 0. Next, for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Here what you are doing, you are adding all the weights. So how much it is coming? So that is nothing but, for example, if you are giving 1 2 5 8, the total sum we are adding into the R. So next is why you are adding is nothing but, for example, total sum is nothing but if you are getting 15. So if you are renting D value is nothing but 55. So it is not possible to calculate it. That is the reason we are taking one more condition, this one. Next is I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Total weights you are calculating. Total is nothing but this is the weight, this is nothing but the one variable name. Next is if D is less than, D is nothing but the less than the total. So D is less than the total means then you call it as the sum of the subsets. Otherwise, generation of the subset is not possible. I'll show you that example also. For example, if you run this, I'll enter it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll enter it. So sum of the digit value is nothing but I'll enter it to 20 or 40. So what will happen? This is nothing but 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, 11. So but you are entering 11. So generation of the subsets is not possible because this value, D value is less than the sum of the subsets. Sum of the sets total is less than the D value. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4 less than this one, it is not possible to calculate it. That is what is that formula. Right. Right. So when you are calling some of the subset 0, 0, comma R. So R is nothing but the total weights. So this is called one variable name you have taken. Now come to the simple code. So you are having, see how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. That's all code you need to remember it. Now what you will be taking is x of 10. X is nothing but here you have taken the x values is nothing but where you have taken weights you have taken, and this is nothing but the weights. That's it. So x of 1 is nothing but the, you are assigning the resultant purpose, this one you are taking. So that is called the one comparison purpose we are taking, that is called the x of k is equal to, initially you made it 1. So next what you are doing is s plus, s is nothing but this one. Initially what you have taken, s is nothing but the 0. 0 value is nothing but the s. 0 plus w of k. W of k is nothing but k is equal to 1. W of 1. W of 1 is nothing but whatever you are entering the values. For example, 1 if you take 1 sum is equal to 0, this one will be 1. So this 2 is equal to D, then you have to solve the subsets. First one you have to write it. Otherwise, what you have to do, it will come to the else part only first. It will not come into this one. Some of the subsets will not be printing. So that is the reason when you are entering this plus this is equal to D, then it will be printing. This is nothing but the printing part only. Calculation part is nothing but only this one. Calculation part is only this much. So how to calculate is nothing but what you have to do is yes. S is nothing but the this values. That is nothing but initially 0 plus W of 1 plus W of k plus 1. That means what? W of 1 plus W of 1 plus 1. That is less than or equal to D means you call this function. So just you see here. Four, if you enter, what will happen? 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 3 less than 4. Then what you have to do? You have to call the same function. That is what we'll be doing this one. So some of the subsets of S plus W of 1 plus W of k plus 1 is less than 2 means this one you have to call the function because the value is less. Otherwise, what you have to do? You have to come to this function. Now you have to check it out, the possibilities are there or not. So if this condition is false means what you have to do is S is nothing but the first value, R is nothing but the total value minus W of k is greater than D, and S plus W of k plus 1 is less than or equal to D, then X of k is equal to 0. One subsets, if you get it, one subsets, if you are getting that one, what will happen? Then you have to go for the other subsets. So sum of these are of S comma k plus 1, that is nothing but the k value will be incremented. Next possibilities, we have to check it out. With first one you have to check all the possibilities. Next 2 you have to check with all possibilities. Next 3 you have to check all the possibilities. That is what this statement. So X of k is equal to 0 you have written. Then S k plus 1 is nothing but this one. This one will be incremented. So that means what? Second possibilities you are checking. So once you check the second possibilities, remaining subsets you will be getting. So once you get the subset, if is equal to D, this one will be printing that's it. So subset 1, subset 2, subset 3, subset 4. Nothing is available, just two if conditions if you are able to read it. This one and this one, that's it. One for the less than that. One is nothing but the once if it is less than this, you have to call this function. If it is equal this, you are printing that one. So for example, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is nothing but 6. 6 is equal to 6 means you are printing this. So here is what will happen. 1 plus 2 you are adding, less than 6 you are calling. So 3, when you are adding this, it will be printing this. Otherwise, what will happen? If this is not like the condition is not satisfying, then it will be coming here. Once it is over, second iterations will be taking, that is nothing but the second iterations, that is nothing but 1 2 3. That means from the 2 you are starting again the subsets. That's it. This one, X of k is equal to 0, then S is equal to k plus 1 means next item, that is nothing but the second element onwards you will be starting. So from there you are checking, from there 2 plus 1, this one, W of 2 plus W of 2 plus 1 you will be adding, and you will be checking this some of the subsets. That's what this one. So I'll run once again. So for example, five, we'll enter 5. 5 means 3 combinations, so you have to get it. So first set is nothing but 1 comma 4. That means what will happen? You are adding first element and checking this one. 1 plus 2 you are checking. So what will happen? 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. So next 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 is not crossing that one. Now what you have to do? You have to leave this. That's what the next if condition. So 1 plus 4. So condition 1 plus 4 is nothing but over. So this is nothing but 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Printed this one. Next, what will happen? This value to be incremented 1. So that is what the next if condition. So 2 will be taken. So next 2 plus 3, that is called 5. You are getting directly, you are printed this one. So once you print this, Next, what will happen? So next is nothing but incremented by 3. So 3 plus 4 checking, that is greater than D, is not possible, that one. Next is 4, you are coming. 4 plus 5, 9, that is also some, and the D value is not matching. Then 5, so you don't have any elements, 5 is equal to 5, 20. That is what the sum of the subsets. So only 3 if conditions you need to write it. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. This is not the output. Copied this one. Already I have done last week this problem in 5th unit, some of the subsets. And now you have to tell me if you have any if condition doubt. So you have here one if condition, here one if condition, one for the printing purpose. So only 2 if conditions, if you write some of the subset program, will get over. Anybody is having doubt? Students, if you don't have doubts, you can copy the program. Arjun, Rashmi,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
Sir, no, sir, no doubt.
Okay, Rashmi,
No, sir.
Diksha, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. You can copy the program so that I can move it. Class adamelo. Once you complete this, you tell me, then I will scroll down. Writing should be carefully how to write it. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Up to main complete it. 2 lines. Now main program you can copy it. Copied? Hello?
The last line, sir.
Okay. Take time, no problem. Copy it properly. Don't miss any statements. That's it. While copying, copy it properly. When you are learning afterwards, when you are practicing, you close the book and do it. That's all. Once you understand, you can write the statements. Write slowly, no problem. Still time is there. Copied?
Yes, sir. Done.
What about others? Still anybody is copying? Shall I move? If anybody is copying, you have to say. Right. Output also copied properly. One output is this one. Another one, I will enter it 3. 1, 2, 3. I will enter sum is 8. So generation of the subsets is not possible. Both the outputs to be entered in the record. Both the outputs to be entered into the record. Copy this output also. Copied?
Sir,
Done na?
sir, yes, sir. Sir, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
ಸರ್, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್ ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ?
ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ. ಅದು ಇದು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಫೈನ್.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ.
Okay, so one more program is there. Let me complete, or next week we'll do it. You have to say.
ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಅದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್, ಇನ್ನೂ 4-5 labs will get it. So next week I'll complete it, and 29th we'll conduct lab internals, or January 1st week. 1 week we'll do revision, next 1 week I'll tell you anyway 1 week before only. So this week you're having the tech transform on 18th and 19th. We'll send event names and the link also. I'll send it to Arjun. Arjun will share it to you people. So everybody other than the coordinators, you have to participate at least one event in tech transfer. Okay, that will come back to you, how to do it, registration, all those things. And Arjun, I'll talk to Arjun. Arjun will come back to you people. Arjun is there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm there.
So I have to create the links, and they have given the schedule. So because of small changes have done, maybe 8:30 to 9:30 to 10:30 I have given 9 to 10, something like that. I'll share it to you, that one, then you can share it to the other people, and make it the events, the rules, regulations, and the documentation, all those things, what you have to do, what we supposed to do, all those things.
Okay,
What
sir.
instructions to be given for that particular event, first you have to say, then event to be conducted.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
I'll tell to event coordinator, so they'll make.
Yeah. You have to make it ready. So
Yes,
probably tomorrow we'll do it. And one more thing I would like to say: this Friday you will not be having the proctor meeting and other classes also, because of the tech transform on 18 and 19. And 18th will be postponed to next week 22, because next 25th also will not be there. Just Chetana madam, you know the mentor, no? So chief proctor, she will be talking to you people just 10 to 15 minutes, that's all, not more than that. Next Tuesday 22nd, after my lab internals, along with 5th semester students, madam will be conducting proctor meeting, just to say how to study. If you have any problems, madam will be addressing to you people, that's all. So we are not conducting as a faculty members, only madam will be conducting. Okay, shall I take the attendance now?
Okay, so
Yeah, so one more program is left out, that is called the 15th, last one, 14th program, NQN problems, that I'll tell you next week. Now I'll take the attendance. Yeah, last Tuesday we didn't have lab, huh? Rashmi?
sir,
Last Tuesday we didn't have lab, huh?
sir, I think
Last Tuesday holiday.
Sir, we was having workshop now, sir.
sir, we have workshop now, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
From
I
Monday
had
to
doubt whether I have not entered or what.
yes, sir.
Right. Sir. Answer your attendance. Today date is 15th. You tell me answer your attendance. 1,
Present, sir.
2, 3,
Present, sir.
4.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hey,
sir.
after calling, you need some more time, huh? 5,
Present, sir.
6. Arbas. Arbas also same thing. 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10, 10, 11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13, 14,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, 19,
18 present, sir.
Present, sir.
20.
18.
Okay, okay.
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23. If
Present, sir.
your mic is problem, you enter it in the message box so that I can enter later. No problem. 23, 22, Ginger. 22, 23,
Present, sir.
24, Kishore. 25,
Present, sir.
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27, Manjunath.
Yes, sir, present.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Yes, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
TD series 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir. 5 present, sir.
24 present. Okay. 5, 6,
6 present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Yes, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14, 15, 14, Savita. 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Yes, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present,
21,
sir.
22,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Sir, BY13 present.
Huh?
BY13 present, sir.
BY13. What were you doing that time?
Actually, sir, mic issue.
Okay, sir. Given.
TD14, sir.
Thank you, sir.
TD14. Given no name Savita. Savita na. Okay. What is the number?
Sir.
Given.
Sir.
Tell me Spurti.
Sir, could you please send a lab manual?
I'm having PDF. Yeah, that one you have to change some of the codes. For example, when your hash include, so for example, I'm given a wide main. You have to change to into main, something like that. So if it is okay, I'll send a PDF format entire programs. So can you able to change the? Can you able to correct the errors?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we'll do it. Can you? Yeah, just send.
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. What I want to say is here I'm using, no, what is that called, VMware, no. So all programs it is available here. See, if you can see it here, it is available. This one I am not able to. Here net is not working. Internet. Hello, Spurti.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
able to
Yes.
hear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
VMware, whatever I have done the programs, even Arjun also asked me last week. So when I'm not able to connect internet in that VMware, where I have executed the program. So whatever I'm having PDF, maybe one or two errors. If you're able to rectify it, I'll send it. No problem. Otherwise, I asked Sishi to give the internet connection in VMware. If it is possible, executed programs only I will send it, so that you will not be having any problem in that. All executed program. So meanwhile, I'll send it the PDF. Arjun, you are having no PDF file? Arjun? Okay, I'll share it to all the people, no problem. Give me 1 or 2 days time, I'll send it. All executed programs only I'll send it so that you will not be having any problems. Only thing is internet is not connecting to VMware, that is the problem. Once it is connected, I can give link to all the programs. Through mail, I'll send it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Shall we stop now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You'll get it, yes, Murthy. Yeah, end of this week, you will get it, don't worry. I'll send all the programs.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Executed programs and the PDF also it is available. You small changes, that's all. So that time I have executed in MA, what is that called? Windows. So when you are coming here, small changes, you know that if you are able to do it, okay, fine, no problem. Okay, shall we close now class? Try to execute it, yeah. Whenever I am telling the same day, if you are executing, it will be good for you also. Only thing is now I am closing, you are also closing. That is the problem. Okay.